The Cool Touch Long Slice Toaster can toast a wide variety of your favorite bread. The large toasting slot can accommodate for longer, rectangular slices of bread such as sourdough or other artisanal loaves. It features 6 variable toast shade settings as well as cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, all encased in a sleek, modern, premium Cool Touch housing. The extra long space-saving design easily fits 4 slices of toast while not cluttering your countertop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 4-slice long slots and Cool Touch body. Extra wide slots for various size and specialty bread. Include self-centering bread slots to ensure evenly toasted breads and a warming rack for croissants, rolls, and other tasty treats. Number 2. Easy to operate toast lifting lever. Automatically ejects bread when toasting is complete, or you can manually release to interrupt the toasting cycle. Number 3. Cancel button for convenience. Easy to use cancel button stops the toasting cycle with one touch of a button. Number 4. Speedy defrost button. When there's no need to toast, it's fast and easy to defrost bread and other snacks with a touch of a button. Number 5. Space-saving long slot design. Along with toasting 4 slices of bread at once, the long shape saves counter space in the kitchen and blends in well with appliances. Number 6. Quick adjust toaster settings. This premium kitchen toaster features 6 variable toast shade settings to let you create light, medium, or crispy bread in minutes. Number 7. Kitchen-friendly functions. We've added cancel, defrost, and reheat buttons to give you more control over your foods and to ensure toast or bread are just right. Number 8. Slide-out crumb tray. Cleaning up crumbs or mess after multiple uses is easy thanks to a simple slide-out tray that lets you empty it out and wipe it down by hand. Number 9. Self-centering guides. The automatic self-centering guides easily center the toast to allow even distribution of heat for perfect browning every time. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.